Hello guys, so this is Landmark Nike Lake Resort in Enugu State, and I'm here to show you guys how beautiful this place is. It's run by Landmark. You all know the popular Landmark Beach in Lagos. So the same people that was running Landmark, they are the ones that are running this resort right now, and it has a lot of interesting things, a lot of good vibes here. So this is the bar. So I'm going to be entering into the bar. You can see how they built huts, with the thatched roof, and it's just very lively. It's just very beautiful, very nice. It's a good place where you can come and relax with your spouse, with your family. You can even spend weekends here. It has a hotel in here, like where you can lodge. Has a place you can just lodge with your family and have fun. There are a lot of activities to be done here. Well, I don't want to say much. You're gonna see yourself. The activities that you can do here, from quad bike riding. You can see the lake. So this is the quad bike I was telling you about. So you can see. If you don't know how to ride it, people there can guide you on how to do that. So this is the environment. You can wake up in the morning and just say, okay, let me just take a walk, because of course, exercise is good for the health. You can even jog inside here. Now, I think this is the lodging area, like the hotel. This is it. The step you're seeing there, that's a step if there's an emergency. See the building. It's very nice. It reminds me of the big hotel, the biggest hotel in Abuja. We entered the hotel, the entrance, you understand. See the ambience of this place. This place is very beautiful. The flowers here are well trimmed, well taken care of. There are a lot of trees in here. So the fresh air that comes from this place is just amazing. It's just, oh my God. See, even if you're not living in Enugu, see, Southeast is not that big like that. Maybe that's if you're traveling, it's going to take you wherever you're coming from. Even if you're coming from Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, any place you're coming from within the Southeast, you can make it to Enugu highest within 2 hours, highest but 3 hours. You can get to this place with your family, weekend getaway and all that. It's about time we started taking our time with family, friends, relax and enjoy life to the fullest. So if you're looking for one of the amazing places in the East to visit, I believe you should visit here, and then Oguta Lake. Yeah. So if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop new videos, you'll get a notification. So entering the bar, I wasn't charged anything. You just go in there, drink what you want to drink. The breeze coming from the lake is something you would love to experience, and the lake view is very nice. In that lake, I saw a fisherman doing his thing. I didn't ask them if they have a boat here, that you can use and do boat cruise on the lake. I didn't ask them, but I think such thing here is possible. So guys, no much talking, just kindly watch this video, as you'll be amazed, by what you will see in Landmark Nike Lake Resort. Nike Lake Resort is a prominent destination situated on the banks of the tranquil Nike Lake in Enugu, Nigeria. It's in the southeastern part of the country. It is known for its serene environment, extensive grounds, and range of amenities, making it a well-known local landmark and a popular escape from the city center. It's located in Nike Lake Road, Nike, Enugu State, Nigeria, and is approximately a 10-minute drive to the city center. Now, if you're coming from the airport, it is about a 15-minute drive from Akano Ibiam International Airport, Enugu. Taxis and tricycles are common ways to get to the resort, though visitors should be aware of potential traffic or road conditions. So let's talk about some of the amenities in this Nike Lake Resort. Now, some of the amenities are natural features. The main attraction is the adjacent Nike Lake, which offers beautiful views and a peaceful atmosphere. Let's talk about recreation. Amenities include an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a children's splash pool, a basketball court, and a spa. Bro, everything they happen for here. There are on-site restaurants and bars, including the Omena La Bush Bar that I just showed you guys, which serves local dishes. Continental and local cuisine are available. Continental and local cuisine, are available in the main restaurant. Talking about accommodation, the resort has over 200 rooms. That's why I say you can come here with your family, friends, with your, anyone where you get, whether na your fiancé, I be na your baby mama, I be like your side chick, all of them. If you carry them, come here. So the resort has over 200 rooms and suites, some with views of the gardens or the lake. Oh, bro, the lake view. Oh, Charlie. It's beautiful. So it offers free Wi-Fi, laundry service, airport shuttle, and large parking areas. So what are you waiting for? Try and visit Nike Lake Resort and enjoy yourself, because life now one, now just once when they live here before you understand. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So guys, this is the lake. Oh, that's the Nike Lake. Let me zoom in. Now the Nike Lake be this. So when I don't see him now waiting we see for Enugu be this. This is where you can come and relax sometimes, have some fun. There's a fisherman over there. I don't know if I zoom in, I don't even sure I'm going to be able to capture him, but I'll show you guys. So this is Nike Lake Resort in Enugu, January 2026. I think I show you something. There is a fisherman there, and it's like it's only my iPhone that can be able to zoom that far. There's a bar over here, there's a bush bar, there's but then nothing much.